Hey guys, welcome to Automate 2024. We are Econ System. We are exhibiting here at Automate. So we have a cool demo here. So we are launching the ERCP Robotics Compute Platform, so which is an Ambarella CV72 based SoC and a career board that is suited for your robotics applications, where you can plug in a lot of sensors, actuators, and all of the accessories required for any robotics platform. So basically what we are demonstrating here is a small AMR. So this AMR is powered by our ERCP. So this is connected to multiple sensors like LiDAR, ToF and RGB sensors that is streaming over the HDMI, and it is also running the LiDAR based 2D cost map over here, and it is doing dynamic path planning and navigating with dynamic obstacles as well. So this also has a vector processing unit called the CV flow engine. So with this CV flow engine, you can run your object detection models, or you can accelerate any of your depth algorithms or localization algorithms on the vector processor. As you can see, the rover is programmed to navigate between 4 corners, which is a typical waypoint looping for an AMR, and it also avoids dynamic obstacles as we step in, and tries to plan a different route. So I'm trying to abstract this way,
and it finds an alternate path to reach its next waypoint.
So try out our new ERCP to envision your robotics compute platform. For more information, visit our website. Thank you.